and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So I'm going to be covering the website, the front page, the Google business profile, as well as backlinks. Let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here. You have email, the email button. You have links to your social media accounts. You have this quote form over here, which is really good and important to have. Then you have the reviews, the reasons to work with you, what are the services that you provide, so local movers, long distance storage, relocations, and then what are your prices, the blog that you have, some of your customers, and the service area and the footer with all of the relevant information. So in general terms, the website and the front page, it is well laid out, making it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. And then in terms of the amount of content, right now your homepage has 1,957 words. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Two Men and a Track, these guys have 1,166 words, and All My Sons, these guys have 1,173 words. And content is important because it's through content that first Google can understand what websites are about. To be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And by having this amount of content, you are able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So you already have that content. It's just making sure that that the content has the relevant keywords so that you can rank for them, and then Google can find you for those keywords, basically. So I came here to the Google search and I type in Fort Lauderdale movers, and the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are great at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The flip side is that some people turn them off in their browsers and some people just skip them altogether. The second section is the map packs. This section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. So this is the Google business profile. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google Organic Search. Here is where I found your 2 competitors. To rank here, you first need a responsive, safe, and correctly built website with the relevant content, and then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that in total, there are 346 external websites pointing through 1,870 backlinks or links to your website. If I have a look at Two Movers, these guys have only for the Fort Lauderdale back page, 27 external websites directing traffic through 3,008 backlinks, and All My Sons, these guys have 30 external websites directing traffic through 446 backlinks. Now, backlinks are important because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. So it is important that those backlinks, that you not only have more backlinks, but you have quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. Because then Google will start regarding you as an authority in that particular topic. Now, the other section that I wanted to share with you is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 651 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. I actually filter out by Fort Lauderdale. So these are the keywords. The volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month in Google, and the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to drive traffic. And you can see it here. You are ranking on the first position for piano movers for Fort Lauderdale, which is very specific. The search volume is 90, and you are getting 11 visits to your website for that particular keyword. But then when it comes to Fort Lauderdale Moving Company, the search volume is 200, and you are on position 35 for that particular keyword. Fort Lauderdale moving services, 100 searches per month. Moving companies, Fort Lauderdale, 700 searches per month, and you're in position 44. So you are actually, your website is ranking for quite a number of buyer intent keywords. That's important, buyer intent keywords. So you have the content. Now it's a matter of actually having a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you rank at the top so that you can get a portion of that traffic, because it means that those potential customers, I mean, your website is going to be in front of those potential customers more often. Then those potential customers are going to end up in your website. They are going to call you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to increase the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.